do you have a disaster recovery plan for the entire system? Because knowing that this is a critical infrastructure, that any breakdown, whether man-made or natural, will really cause a lot of havoc. No? You should have a disaster recovery plan. You should have a disaster recovery playbook. Iba-ibang senaryo, ibig sabihin. I think this should be part of what management does for critical infrastructures, especially this one.
2 more minutes, Your Honor.
Most especially that you already experienced yung pagkakaroon ng rectifier breakdown. So meron ba kayong disaster playbook para dito? Question was, do you have a disaster recovery playbook?
So wala pa tayong ano.
Mayroon po ba kayong disaster recovery? Yan ang tanong.
Sorry sir, wala po ang tanong.
That's one glaring gap that you have, no? Yung management. Critical infrastructure ito eh.